Blood sugar tea. Dried hibiscus flowers, Zobo sorrel roselle. Dried bitter leaves. Today, I'm making a blood sugar tonic.
Today, I'll be making a tonic that's great for reducing blood sugar, and that's because it has bitter leaves in it. And yes, you heard me, bitter leaves. Yes, it's bitter. My Niger peeps would understand. But take heart, take courage, buckle up, and don't let me scare you. Bitter leaves has got to be by far one of the best herbs out there for reducing blood sugar. So yes, ain't no sugar coating this one, baby. Okay, let me get serious here. I repeat, bitter leaves has got to be by far one of the best herbs or plants out there to reduce blood sugar. The botanical name is called Vernonia amygdalina, and I'll put it on the screen as well. So don't let me scare you. If you don't have it where you live, please go online, look it up, and please get some. I also need to mention that this tonic is very good and effective for so many other things, and I'll list them on the screen. Generally speaking, medicinal plants contain therapeutic agents like saponins, alkaloids, glycosides, and tannins. And well, bitter leaves has all of these, so it's really very good. So I added cinnamon sticks to this recipe to improve the taste. It also helps to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. And I added hibiscus flowers as well to also improve on the taste. And hibiscus flower also has its own list of benefits, which I really won't get into in this video. You can watch my other videos for the benefits of hibiscus flower. But enjoy the tea and drink along with me, and don't let it knock you out. But my Niger peeps and African people, sure, you all know the drill.